So, when a massive star, like super big, like a little more bigger than the sun, when at the end of its life, it will like collapse in itself, and all of the gravity gets super heavy, and then a massive explosion happens, and that is a supernova. It's the biggest explosion in the universe that we know of right now. But maybe that could change later on, like in a few hundred years. But right now, that's what we know of. Or like in about 30 years. But it will be a bit. So and so yeah, that's what will happen if if a star starts to die and stuff. It will turn into a supernova, and it will just collide in itself, and then it will turn into a supernova. And I think this is another way. I'm not totally sure, but I think this is. So sometimes there's two stars that are quite close to each other, and they orbit each other, and then and if one of them collides in with another, that could make a supernova. And yeah, but supernovas are huge. It could be so far away. And if you ever hear light years in space, that means years, it means you're going at the speed of light. And if you don't know what that means, it means when you put a light switch on, exactly when you put it up, that's how long it takes for it to register and go and put the light on, that fast. And a year would be it would at the speed of light, it would take a year to do it. So yeah. And if you don't know this fact already, I'll just put it out there. It takes about 1 second to go across the Earth at the speed of light. That's super quick. Like airplanes, those take 24 hours or more. It takes a couple days, maybe. And at the speed of light, it takes a second. But guys, it will take a while until we get to that. Get to building stuff at the speed of light. We probably will never get that fast, but we could. And this is another fact. It takes 8 minutes at the speed of light for a light from the sun to reach us. And guys, if you sometimes when a star dies, it still has some light left, but it will take a while, a couple million years or 1,000 for the light to reach us and not happen. It will take a while. So yeah, that's it. And then the next thing I'll explain about black holes. The next thing I'll explain about black holes, and you guys are probably gonna like it a lot. It's so cool. Well, black holes, if you guys probably all know what a black hole is. If you don't, you probably should, but if you don't, it's something in space that's huge, and it can suck up things. It can suck up stars. If something comes near it, the gravity will pull it in. You know how there's gravity on Earth? When you jump and then you land back down, that's gravity. So yeah. let's go to our next thing. Alright, so the next thing I'll be talking about, like, our Milky Way. So our Milky Way is it's one of the younger, it's one of the younger galaxies, but it's not that old. Like, the one we have never caught, like, we have only caught, like, a few of really old ones, like when, like a couple million years of after when the Big Bang happened. If you don't know what the Big Bang is, you probably all do. But it's when the universe started. It's like the start of the universe. It was like all like matter and like all like electricity and stuff, and all of it combined, and then it did a massive explosion, like right here, and then it turned into stuff. And yeah, that was what like happened. And don't get scared when I say this, our Milky Way is gonna collide with another galaxy. And but it will happen in about 3 billion years. So don't be worried that you won't. So yeah, but in about 4 billion years. But at 3 billion years, you'll be able to see it with a naked eye. If you don't know what the naked eye is, it's just your eye with like no telescopes and stuff. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen in about 3 billion years. But when it does happen, things will collide, but not like, maybe like a couple million things may collide. But the reason for that is because everything, like million things may collide. But the reason for that is because everything, like other than planets and stuff, is about other than like, so like every star is like about, like the closest star to us is about 3,000 light years away. Well, like, no, 3 light years away, basically. So yeah, and yeah, that will be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope I will see you again. I just have to, and please like if you actually did like this video, because if you do like, I'll make more videos like this. So yeah, that'll be it.